Are you looking for new and innovative ways to make money online? Look no further than ChatGPT. This platform offers a range of opportunities for individuals to earn an income, from building apps to writing articles. Whether you're looking to start your own business or simply supplement your current income, ChatGPT has something for everyone. In this video, we'll explore 5 genius strategies you can use to make money with ChatGPT. So sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and get ready to discover the world of earning potential with ChatGPT. Welcome to Financial Flipside. What is ChatGPT? And can you earn money from it? ChatGPT is a revolutionary communication tool that allows users to send and receive messages, videos, audios, and other files in real time. It's also an AI-powered virtual assistant created to assist individuals or businesses with their needs by providing accurate responses. Can it earn money? The answer is yes. ChatGPT offers several ways for users to make money through its platform. As an individual or business owner, you can use the platform as your branding agency, where you can create chatbots that represent your brand and automate customer interactions while increasing sales. In this guide, we'll outline some of the best strategies to make money with ChatGPT. First strategy: branding agency. As businesses continue to compete for consumers' attention, it's essential that they have a strong brand presence that resonates with their target audience. You can leverage your expertise in branding and marketing by offering services to these businesses. With ChatGPT, you can build your own chatbot or use an existing one and offer customized and personalized branding solutions to clients. The chatbot offers a unique platform where clients can interact with their customers easily, making it easier to gather insights about their preferences, likes, and dislikes. As a branding agency owner using ChatGPT as your tool of choice, you'll be able to create effective marketing campaigns while utilizing data-driven insights from the chatbot. You can customize the language and tone of the bot interactions based on customer preferences gathered through analysis performed by AI algorithms on ChatGPT's platform. Building long-term relationships with clients who require ongoing support ensures recurring revenue streams for your business. With this approach, creating value-based pricing strategies becomes possible because you'll provide much-needed insight into how your clients' customers are engaging in real time. Leveraging ChatGPT as part of your branding strategy will help you differentiate yourself from other agencies and ultimately allow for limitless growth opportunities. Second strategy: building and selling apps to businesses. With a growing demand for mobile apps, this avenue presents immense opportunities for those who have a knack for app development. By leveraging your skills in programming languages like Java, Swift, or Kotlin, among others, you can build highly functional apps that solve specific business needs. You can then sell these apps through online platforms such as the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. To get started on this path, research different industries and niches that require specialized applications. Business areas like finance, healthcare, or e-commerce are just a few examples of possible markets where your talent could be valuable. Once you identify an industry niche that suits your expertise and passions, develop an app with a unique value proposition tailored to meet their specific requirements. Ensure that the design is user-friendly and intuitive while providing intricate functionality that solves real-world problems. After successfully developing your app portfolio, market yourself online by showcasing demos of what you've built so far via social media channels like LinkedIn or Twitter. This way, potential clients will know about what you offer and reach out to inquire further about purchasing custom-made solutions from you. Third strategy: write articles. ChatGPT offers a platform where you can write about various topics such as health, lifestyle, technology, and many more. The key to earning money via article writing on ChatGPT is to create high-quality content that attracts readers. Your articles should be informative, engaging, easy to read, and SEO optimized with keywords that rank well in search engines. Once your article has been published on ChatGPT's website, you can earn money by receiving a share of the advertising revenue generated from your content. Additionally, if your article becomes popular among readers or goes viral on social media platforms such as Facebook or Twitter, you may receive additional income. Another way to earn money through article writing is by offering ghostwriting services to businesses looking for unique blog content. By showcasing your skills as an exceptional writer who understands their niche industry's requirements, you will be able to charge higher prices for each post you write. In conclusion, if you have excellent writing skills and enjoy sharing knowledge about specific subjects or industries with others, then making money through GPT's article writing service could be right up your alley. Fourth strategy: write and publish your own how-to books. With ChatGPT, writers can share their expertise in any field and provide valuable information to readers. The first step is to identify a topic that appeals to your target audience. This could be anything from cooking, gardening, or personal finance. Next, do thorough research on the topic and gather all relevant information before beginning the writing process. Once you have written your book, you can easily self-publish it on platforms such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Barnes & Noble Press. These platforms offer an easy way for authors to get their work out into the world and earn royalties every time someone purchases their book. To maximize earnings potential, consider offering additional resources such as online courses or coaching services related to your book's topic. This not only adds value for readers, but also provides an opportunity for additional income streams. Writing how-to books is a lucrative way to earn money with ChatGPT while sharing knowledge and providing value for readers seeking guidance in various areas of interest. Fifth strategy: email marketing agency. With the rise of digital technology, businesses are constantly seeking new and innovative ways to market their products or services. This is where you come in. By using ChatGPT's advanced chatbot technology, you can create personalized email campaigns that will help businesses increase their customer engagement and sales. You can offer a wide range of services such as creating targeted email lists, designing eye-catching templates, and writing compelling content. To start an email marketing agency with ChatGPT, it's important to have a solid understanding of digital marketing principles such as SEO optimization and social media advertising. Additionally, having strong communication skills and attention to detail is essential when dealing with clients' needs. The best part about starting an email marketing strategy is that there's potential for recurring income streams if clients sign up for ongoing campaigns. As long as you continue providing quality service, your business will continue to grow and thrive. Starting an email marketing agency with ChatGPT can be a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs who are passionate about helping businesses succeed in today's competitive market. After exploring the 5 genius strategies to make money with ChatGPT, it is evident that this platform offers endless opportunities for entrepreneurs and freelancers alike. Whether you are interested in creating apps or writing content, there is something for everyone. By becoming a branding agency, building apps, writing articles or books, and starting an email marketing agency through ChatGPT's platform, you can monetize your skills and expertise like never before. With its user-friendly interface and extensive network of clients worldwide, ChatGPT has emerged as a leading platform for making money online. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and start earning money with ChatGPT. We appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. If you liked it, be sure to show your support with a like and share it with your friends and family. To stay on top of financial matters, subscribing and hitting the notification bell is highly recommended. This way, you'll be among the first to know when new content is released.